Okay folks, so here we are. Welcome to the pre-portal for 82 Pickford Crescent in Cellardyke. This is an amazing 2-bedroom, wait for it, semi-detached bungalow. Hen's teeth. As soon as you hear the word bungalow, they're sought after all the time. It has got off-street parking to the side as well, potential to build a garage out the back, and also, potential to extend to the front or rear, depending on what you really want to do, but you just want to keep it as a 2-bedroom bungalow. It is the ideal location for you. Pickford Crescent, one of the most sought after areas in Cellardyke, I must say, and it's easy access into the Fife Coastal Path, which is just down the road from here. Check out the location footage. So if you'll go to the end of this road and you turn along to the side, and you can just go down to the harbour, the beach, the Fife Coastal Path. The open water swimming tidal pool is along at the end of the road as well. You can get back into the mainstream facilities at Anstruther, which is the cafes, bistros and restaurants. Check out the location footage if you don't know where this is in relation to everything else. Literally welcome to God's country, people. Okay, let me pop the camera around and show you what I'm looking at. So here we are right here. So here's the driveway to the side. You can get in for off-street parking, and here is the area. They're doing a wee bit of work next door, and then there's all your garden to the front, and then there's the property itself. And then your driveway to the side, and as I said, a huge back garden, so you can easily probably put a garage to the rear, and maybe something else if you really want to. Let's go into the side. We're going to look at the open plan kitchen and living room and dining area. So it's a real good sized space in here, ergonomically laid out perfectly. So it's perfectly laid out. You've got your seating area over there with your television, and then you come into your dining area over here as well, and then you've got your washing machine, your fridge, and then your oven and hob and extractor, your place for your microwave, and you've got a condenser boiler in that cupboard, and also storage in there as well. Remember, this is a pre-portal, your golden opportunity to jump in there before anyone else. If you can make the seller an offer they can't refuse, you're in a position to proceed. You can get this before this goes to any website. We're going to go out the patio doors in a minute. Let's have a look at the 2 double bedrooms, and then we'll have a look at the shower room as well. So good sized double bedroom in here. As you'll see, it sneaks into the back to give it that space in the room, overlooks the front garden area, and then off into the next double bedroom in here. So again, a good sized space. You can easily get a wardrobe in there as well, and then your shower room as well. Nicely finished, isn't it? Love that tiling. And then overhead thermostatic shower. Nicely tiled floor as well. Let's pop out the back garden, and you'll see the vast size of space in this back garden. This house sits in the sun all day long, by the way. I like most houses in the East Nuke. I think they're perfectly positioned all the time. It must be the way they're all designed and built. But this is a huge garden, so you could probably comfortably get a garage out there. Give you an idea, next door's done it already. You can see that. So this is a big space, and this is literally going to sit in the sun all the time. Now, I can see just across there, there's the, right across the water, there's the Firth of Forth, and then right across the water you can just see the turbines on the hill over there in Berwick. So it shows you how close this is, just down that road there to the harbour and onto the Fife Coastal Path itself. But you can easily, as I said, there's a huge space there you can get easily access into here if you want cars to come in here, you want to build a garage here possibly, and you've got plenty of space as well over here for a garden. And could you maybe, look at this, it's come right out, so you can maybe extend this a bit more. You've got all the space for it. You can probably do that easily if that's what you really want to do. But keeping it as it is, maybe ideal as well. It's a great space, isn't it? Now we're sitting at round about 2 o'clock now. Where's the sun? It's hiding behind the clouds. I have a sneaking suspicion it's there. So south facing is round about here, so it's going to come up over here, it's going to travel all the way around, it's going to sit on here, it's going to sit on here, it's going to sit on here, it's going to go down over here, and it's going to be sitting on this all the time. Hence the reason why that bench and table is over there as well. It's all perfectly positioned. Nice idyllic lifestyle. Look, sit here. Good amount of privacy all the way throughout here. So remember, this is a pre-portal, your golden opportunity. If you're in a position to proceed to make the seller an offer they can't refuse before it goes to a website, this could be yours. You need to be in the position to proceed. You need to be a seller an offer they can't refuse. And as I said, it could be yours. Now, If you don't know where Cellardyke is, or you don't know what this property is for anybody outside the area and where it is in relation to everything else, check out the location footage on this post. You just click on that, it shows you everything. It shows you where the property is in relation to everything else. It shows you how far you are away from the Cellardyke tidal pool, how far you are away from the harbour, how far you are away over the hill from St Andrews, round about 10 miles over the hill to St Andrews, the home of golf, and come back here, easily access into there. And then how far are you away from the cafes, bistros and restaurants along the Antra of the harbour as well. Fantastic local primary school and a fantastic local secondary school as well. Main shopping facilities across the Antra, basically next door. They're the same thing, they're connected to each other. You just literally pass over the road and there's a sign and it says Cellardyke and Antra, Cellardyke, Antra, Cellardyke. You can put your foot in either end. The way this works. Fantastic local community as well, I would say. There's a lot to look for in here. As I said, if you don't know this area, welcome to God's country, literally. Okay, this is going to start off as over 210,000. Again, as I said, this is a pre-portal. You need to be quick. If you're in a position to proceed, you can make the seller an offer they can't refuse. It could be yours before it goes to any website. You've got 5 to 6 working days to do that. You see it in social media exclusively first. This is why it's important to follow our channels. If you need more information, you can click on the link above or below, or you need to message us direct or contact us. You can message us direct on this post, or you can contact us on 01333 421 774. Until next time, guys, I'm Jim Parker for Fife Properties TV.